Guess there's just a ton of these damsels in distress waiting to be rescued. You know, because old video games. Now this level, sort of another variation on the kind of like magma caves look. I'm gonna have to explore a bit here because I do not remember where the keys are at all here. But we should be able to find them. There's the red key. And that should open up this chest for me here. Alright, let's see what we got. Gems. Can find out what's in the red door. Okay, no, these skulls are trouble. Believe they can't be killed. Yeah, they just keep shooting at you. Actually, can I use my staff on these things? Nope. I just gotta book it out of here. Some of the enemies that are supposedly invincible can be kicked, but I don't have the Boots of Force, so I can't kick them. Alright, moving on. We need the pink key. More gems. Guess I should see how many gems the knight requires. Oh, there's the Wand of Wonder. So this freezes enemies, which is nice. The Staff of Power that I had before this is just straight damage. Okay, so they're going to give me a choice of items to get here. I think I will take the projectile, because the cloak is not too useful. It's kind of a pointless weapon. Ah. Oh, do I still take fall damage even if I have the invincibility potion? Huh. It's kind of lame. Let's see if we can make our way back up. Let's see what this is. More gems. That's the cloak. Okay, that was where the red key was. I like to think in the game lore for Wizards and Warriors, our hero Kuros is just constantly being killed. It's like Groundhog's Day for him all the time. At some point, just like I'm sure Mario and Link have thought, he's got to wonder, is this princess... Wow, 200, huh? Alright. He's got to wonder, is this princess worth it? I'm being mobbed by bats, rock monsters, rock ghosts. I have to pay this red guy tons of money in order to advance. Was she worth it? And I think by video game logic, because he is the honorable knight, it's worth it to him. Me personally, I don't know if I would have invested all the time. We'll see. Okay, so we still need to find a pink key, which I get the feeling is down towards the bottom. So we haven't really explored the very bottom of the zone yet, so we'll make our way towards the bottom. Blue door? I been here? Nope, there's the pink key. So if we loop around the bottom, there should be some more chests in the area we can use to get gems and maybe some items, and then we need 200. We'll make our way back over to our friend the Red Knight, and then it can move on to the boss of this zone. As the bats keep hounding me. Let's see. So yeah, okay, nothing else to this side. We have to head up. Oh. More secret doors. This is gonna get me pretty close to 200. Almost there. Now, I have to remember where the pink chests were that I passed by earlier. I think they were further up. To the left? I think they were to the left. Let's take a look. So I guess while we're wandering through the caves here, I can talk a little bit about the Wizards and Warriors games as a series. And so, to my knowledge, there's at least 2 other games in the series. The second one, I believe, is called Iron Sword. Back in the day, I only had the first one, and I've never played any of the later Wizards and Warriors installments. I may look at playing them here on the channel. Those games I know absolutely nothing about, so the playthroughs will be completely blind. Didn't want that. So I guess I'll take a look and see at the schedule. If the games look interesting and you guys want to see me play through them, then maybe I'll rotate some of them in. I kind of want to keep the Let's Play series to games I'm a little bit familiar with. That way I can talk about my history and what it was like for me playing the games back in the day. But I wouldn't rule out some unfamiliar games just to sort of mix things up. So we'll see. I believe we need to head up to the right. And somewhere along the way, we're going to hit some pink chests, if I can remember where they were. There's some up here. Yeah, here's one. So here's more gems. I think I'm good to go because I hit my 200 already. So our good friend, the Red Knight, should be out of here. Oh, alright, here's the boss. I think it's called Evil Ghost or something like that. Not too bad. I can block his shots and sort of wait him out. Just happen to have no life. He kind of reminds me of Karok from the second Legend of Zelda game on Nintendo. I guess the idea of evil ghost wizard person is not too original, but the magic wand makes short work of that guy. And who are we saving here? She looks a lot like the other ones. Griselda.